Hey guys, Ken here from the Retro Toy Escapades channel in Malaysia. I'm checking out the scene here at my local Toys R Us, and it's hard to put into words what I'm seeing here. A full row of unsold mint in box Stridors. Yeah, still grazing here on the shelves since February of this year. Yeah, it's not like, almost December. Along with another brilliant but underwhelming toy line from Mattel, the Lightyear range of toys, also unsold. I kind of feel like a lot of people slept on this Stridor set. It is in fact the best updated release among all of the MOTU Origins creature or vehicle sets that were released to date. A truly impressive set that deserves better than this fate, I think. Anyway, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. And don't sleep on Stridor.